Welcome back. My name is Dustin. Today we're going to use the stock material method and make a knife. I've got some pretty cool handle material, some copper liners, and a pretty simple profile I just drew up, and we're going to get started. I used a permanent marker to outline my profile onto the steel. That porta bandsaw went through this 3/16 inch 1084 really quick, really easy, even with that Harbor Freight blade, which I do not like. So we're going to finish up the profile here on the belt grinder. So I've got the preliminary belt in. It's up to 120 grit, finished up, or cleaned up with Scotch-Brite belt. I'm going to clean this choil area up a little bit with some sanding, probably fit the handles, and hopefully get this thing heat treated today. So I find it easier to epoxy the copper liners on before getting the scales to their final size, and that's what I'm going to do now. Sounds great. Off to temper. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Alright, we are out of 2 temper cycles. I'm going to get this thing cleaned up, do a little bit more handle work, got to get the bevels in, sanding, quite a bit of work to do. We're going to get started. So I have got the bevel on. I'm pretty happy with it. It's a pretty high grind. I'm going to be stone washing this knife, so I'm going to hand sand it probably up to 320 grit. I'm going to start at 180. We're going to get rocking. There's this little fly that has been haunting me all over the shop this morning. So I have got my scales glued on. I pulled those copper liners back off this morning when I went to work with them. Something didn't quite look right. They weren't sitting the way that I wanted them to. I probably just wasn't paying attention when I stuck them down onto the copper, but I pulled them back off, flattened the scales, and then just stuck them back on as you just saw. I think it's going to look really good. I don't know if I'll be able to come out tomorrow to finish it. I might go fishing in the morning, but we'll get this wrapped up soon. So this looks really cool. It's wicked sharp. Just cleaning up the edge on the straw. I'll do a little polish on the handle and show you what we've done over the last few days.